Hi guys, welcome back. This is Thomas. Better mindset, better life. Back in 2019, a survey was conducted to see how many Canadians are prepared for the unexpected, such as accident or premature death. 47% said if they don't have the next paycheck, they are not going to cover the basic living expense in the following months. And 70% said they do not have plans for the unexpected. Today, I want to talk about the term life insurance products in Canada, one of the simplest and cost-effective way to protect your finance, how they work, and why is it important to know, especially in times like this. If you're new to this channel is about financial growth and tips that you can save more in Canada. If you like the video, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit the bell down below so you won't miss any important information. As the name suggested, term insurance is to provide a temporary coverage, not for the entire life. There's term life insurance and there's term critical illness insurance. Their job is to provide a lump sum of cash in case of severe health conditions or early death for a certain period of time, usually in 5, 10, 20 years until age 85. If you want to know more about critical illness insurance, please check my last video. There are two benefits of having a term insurance policies. First is income replacement. No matter you're single or not, you will always have four basic needs: food, shelter, clothing, and hobbies. And these are all funded by neither your active income or your passive income. If you cannot provide an income due to the unexpected, and there's no or little passive income, who is going to support the lifestyle? Term insurance in this case can provide the cash flow and reduce the stress of payment until the crisis is over. A lot of people think, I'm young, I'm healthy, why do I need insurance now? On the contrary, that is the best time they should get insurance because the insurability can be locked down. The amazing thing for life and critical illness insurance policy in Canada, the insurance company cannot change the policy's term once the contract is locked. There are free guarantees once the insurance policy is in place. The first one is guaranteed premium, which means the cost for the insurance policy has to be the same no matter what the future situation will be. If I don't smoke and approve for the non-smoker rate, 2 years later if I decide to smoke, insurance company cannot adjust my premium due to the change in lifestyle. Or, if the claim is much higher due to the unexpected, the insurance company cannot come back and say, we need to adjust the policy premium. Once the policy is in place, the cost is locked for that interval. The other one is guarantee renewable. Say my coverage is about to expire. If I choose to renew it, insurance company have to renew the insurance policy regardless of my health. For example, John has a term 10 life insurance. If he gets cancer at year 9 and survives, he's going to have a hard time to get a new insurance policy. But with the guarantee renewable feature built in, he has the option to renew for another 10 years until a certain age, usually set at age 75 depending on each insurance company's guideline. The last guarantee for most of the term insurance policy is guarantee convertible, the ability to convert to permanent insurance regardless of your health. Take me, for example. When I was in my 20s, I was single, young, and healthy at that time. The main purpose is not to create additional liabilities to my family in case of anything. So I got myself a term life and CI insurance coverage. A couple years later, I have my own family. My goal now has changed and to make sure I can provide an income if I'm not here. And since my cash flow is better, I converted a term insurance plan to permanent insurance. So anytime in my life, I'm protected. Why is it important to consider term insurance plans in time like this? Just like travel insurance or auto insurance, term life and critical illness insurance is to provide a safety net, transferring the risk to the insurance company. For a Canadian, no smoking for $500,000 life insurance and $100,000 of CI, it starts less than $50 a month. At any given time, you can cancel, convert partial or full amount of the coverage to permanent coverage regardless of the health change, using the lowest cost to get the biggest protection. There are two channels that you can get life or critical illness insurance policies. One is through financial institutions such as insurance companies. It's simple, easy, you can even get one online. The other channel is through insurance brokers. The advantage is they have access to multiple insurance companies so they can compare and find the best plan. The process might be longer, but the plan is more tailored to what you need and able to explain all the conditions. In general, the price for each company's term plans are very competitive. What's most important is to see whether the term policy has guaranteed premiums and renewable feature built in. And in terms of convertible, what kind of permanent product and benefits are available within the same insurance companies? Please talk to your insurance professional, and I will put a link below so you can get a quick quote and leave questions there. Insurance is one of those things you will not learn how important it is until it happens. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please share it to your friends. This is Thomas. During this time, please take good care, stay well, and I will see you in the next video.